Welcome guys back. Welcome back guys to another video here. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the DJI Ronin SC that I just got in. Pretty excited about this. I know it's pretty old, but I saw a video on it the other day. Looked pretty legit. So we're just gonna go here and unbox it and take a look at what's inside. You guys have probably already seen what it is, but why not check it out again here in 2020? Let's get it. So we got plastic here, plastic there. There we go. Or does it slide off? It's having more trouble here. Taking this off. Alrighty, well, I think this is the end of the video because I can't open this. I guess we can rip it. Wanted to hold down to this picture, but there's that. DJI Ronin SC. This is like foam, hard foam. So it's a case, but a case that can rip pretty easy, I guess. So we flip these latches here, and then we open. Ta-da! Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, feels nice. Real nice. Nice sturdy. Sounds like metal handle right there. We got the Ronin SC quick start. Okay. We got some silicone gel. We got some Allen wrenches here, some screws, more screws. We have, ooh, this is the phone holder, so you can hold your phone. I don't have my phone, I don't know where it's at, but you just pop it in right there like that, holds it. Not 100% sure what this is, but I think you put the camera on here and it slides. I don't know. Have here USB to USB-C cable. One that just flew away. A USB-C to USB-C angled cable. Let's see what I dropped here. Oh man, where'd it go? It's gone. I have no idea what it was. Well, rip whatever that was. Oh, it's right here. I thought it fell over to the side. It just fell in the box. Another USB-C to USB-C cable. I am not 100% sure what they're for. I think it's to charge the battery on the handle for the gimbal here. We have, oh, this is the stand. So you just screw it in here like this, hold it like this, shoot your videos, your B-roll. You know how that goes. And then this part. This is probably what I really wanted it for. This little stand here. So I can just set it on this, put the camera on top. It all has this function that's pretty cool. It you use it with your phone and you put it to track you and as you move, the gimbal moves. That's pretty awesome. So we'll try that with some videos here later on in the future. We'll see how that goes, because it's pretty awesome. This is actually like really well built. I'm not sure if they're coming out with a new one because the price of this was actually really good. Got it on sale at B&H. Link in the description down below. So you can put it like that. Put it all the way down. There. That's what I'm talking about right there. Can you see that? I think you can. Okay. We have here another metal piece that I don't know what it goes to either. You shouldn't have seen that, but I'll leave it in there. I'll figure out where that goes later on. And the big boy that holds the camera right here. So we got the phone holder. We got this thingamajig. We got this thingamajig. We got the charging cables here. And they do something else, I don't remember. I'll look it up. And then we have this, a USB-C adapter to micro or mini. I think that's micro USB. Not 100% sure, but they give you that adapter. That's pretty cool. So here's the main part of the unit where the camera goes here. Oh, that's what it's for. This is most likely where you put the camera. You screw it onto here, and then you put it here. Nope, that's wrong. I think I should have figured all this out before I started recording, but that's okay. This is real life. This is what happens when you get something and you know what it does, but you don't know what it does. See, like these things here, I think it's to balance it, lock it, I think. So that locks it there. Okay, so this goes here, it looks like, and then you put your camera on this thing, and then it just gives you stability, nice, smooth, clean shots, which is pretty awesome. This goes here, just slides on there like that. You got a little latch here to lock it. Unlock it. Locked. Doesn't come out. Unlock. Lock. Tighten that guy. That goes there. It's pretty awesome. So now I just have to figure out how to use this thing. Here on this side it has a little knobby thing, I'm guessing so that you can move this around in circles like. It has a 1, 2, and 3 light here. Oh, a record and an M. I'll have to look into what those things do later on. So here's lock and unlock. Oh. So that locks this. So now you're good there. And then we have another lock here that should unlock this now, if I am correct. Yeah. Let's remove this for protection. As you can see, that's locked there. There should be another one, I think. Or not. Guess not. Thought there was. So go ahead and lock that. Oh, that's the other one. Okay. Duh. So as you can see, now it's unlocked. It's not balanced though, but pretty smooth, pretty heavy, pretty nice and sturdy. So let's go ahead and lock this there, and let's go ahead and lock this. So now everything's back to being locked. This is there. That's pretty awesome. It's pretty sweet. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching this unboxing of the DJI Ronin S, I think it is called SC. So guys, go ahead and hit that like button, the subscribe button, that button with the bell on it, so that you can be reminded when new videos come out, to check them out, to hear my point of views, to hear my side of the story. But it's pretty awesome. Go ahead and subscribe, smash the like button again and again and again and again. Peace.